Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox two-step verification. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox two-step verification, you should just go to settings. Here on this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this page, you will enter to this window of Roblox. Here in this list of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we go to click storage. After that, in this page we click on clear cache, and in the end of all the steps then we can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.